Hello everyone! Today I'll be unboxing my first Bagamour handbag subscription for the quarter spring 2020. So this is a quarterly subscription and I've never heard of this before. It's my first time. So I think it's a fairly new company as well that's doing this. So they send out 2 handbags per quarter, and also some accessories along with it as well. So let's check it out. Okay. So when you open it, it does come with a brochure that tells you more about the stuff inside. Okay, so oops, let's look at the accessories first. Let's see what they are. So the first item that I see here are these EXO page barrette clips, and it says in the brochure that they're actually handmade. Interesting. So these are cute. Okay. The next item that I see here is the Naked Bee mini bee kit in orange blossom honey, and it comes with a body and hand lotion, a lip balm, and a hand sanitizer. Okay, let's move on. And I see the silver thing here. It says that this is a bangle keychain. You can put it on as a bracelet so you don't lose your keys, just somewhere to hang them. It's pretty cute. Okay, so let's see where the other item is. Okay. Here's the last accessory item. This is a leopard scarf. Let's see what it looks like. Where does it open from? Okay, found it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, it does have a scratch mark on it. Okay, it's this see-through scarf. It's actually pretty cute. Okay. So that's the last accessory item. Okay, let's move on to the bags. So each subscription comes with a small and a big bag. Fairly big. Okay. So let's look at the first bag. So the first one is this red handbag. The brand is Bagamour, it's the brand. And let's take a look at it. So you open it like that. And I think this is a crossbody, so it should come with a strap, yeah. So here's the strap. Has this pattern. Has these hooks at the end that you can hook to the bag over here. Oh, it has this strap as well, so it has 2 different straps. Okay, so on the inside there's a side pocket here, 2 of them. And there's a zippered pocket as well over here. Yeah, so it's pretty cute. Let's move on to the next bag. Okay. Okay, so the next bag is blue. This is what it looks like. Okay. So it's a bigger bag than the red one. It's a slouchy one. It's a shoulder bag. Let's open it. So this one has a crossbody strap as well that you can attach to this purse. And it also has 2 pockets here. And also, oh, there's 2 zippered pockets. See, there's 2 of them there. Okay, cool. And these aren't the only options available for bag styles. They ask you to take a quiz to know what type of style you would like. So this package is the Everyday Woman bag, these 2, the blue and the red. And another option that you could have gotten is the Boho Chick Woman, these 2 handbags. And the other option was the Classic Woman and these 2 black bags, or another option that you could have received. And I know for Mother's Day they're having a sale. I think if you use code MOTHER15 you can get $15 off your first bag. I will post any information about that down in the description. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. And I hope that you like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye!